Next one, we will take Ranga has rupees 2 crore 75 lakh 62,875 in his bank account. He wants to buy a land for rupees 3 crore 25,000. How much more money does he need? See here, he needs money 3 crore 25,000, but he has only 2 crore 75 lakh 62,875. So he has less money than he wants. So we subtract this one from this one. How much money he needed? No, how much money he has within his hand. So we subtract this one from this. Then we get how much more money Ranga wants. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಂಗ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ಬಗ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗೈತಿ? ಇಷ್ಟ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯಾವ, ಹಣ. ಎದಕ್ಕೆ? ಅವಾಗ ಒಂದು ನೆಲ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಜಮೀನು ಕೊಂಡು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಅವನ ಕಡೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅದಾವ 2 crore 75 lakh 62,875. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇದನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯಾವ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋ ಡೇಟಾ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೆದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಡೇಟಾ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಮನಿ, how much amount Ranga needs, that one we will write. Amount needed to buy a flat or land is rupees how much? 3 crore 25,000 and amount Ranga had is he had 2 crore 62 lakh 75 2 crore 75 lakh 62,875. Now to get the money he needed more is we should subtract this one amount he had from the amount he need. Now we subtract this one. This is 5, this one is 2, this one is 1, this one is 2, here 6, this one is 4, this one is 2, this one is 0. Now this much money is required, 24,62,125 rupees more money he needed. Therefore Ranga need more money is equals this much, that is rupees 24,62,125 rupees more amount he needed. Now we'll study fifth one. See here in this problem, a car company spent rupees 13 crore 2 lakh 34,890 for setting up a factory and rupees 2 crore 38 lakh 94,650 for setting up a showroom. How much more amount did the company spend for set the factory? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಅದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗೈತಿ. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಗಳು ಮಾರ್ಲಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಖರ್ಚಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 13 crore ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಕ್ಕ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 13 crore 2,34,890. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾಕ 2 crore 38 1,94,650 ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 13 crore ಮೇಲಾಗೈತೆ, ಇದು 2 crore something, 13 crore something. So this is more, this is less. So we can subtract this one from this amount required to set up a factory. We should subtract amount required to set up a factory, set up a showroom from the amount required to set up a factory. If we take out this one from this, then we get the amount spent by the company more to set up the factory. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ದಾಗ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೇನು ಉಳಿತೈತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಮೌಂಟ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರು, ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ಡೇಟಾ ಬರೀ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಈ ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್ amount spent to set up a factory, this much. How much amount spent to set up a factory is how much rupees? 13 crore 2,34,890 rupees. And amount spent to set up a showroom is 2 crore 38,94,650. If we subtract this one from this, we get what we get? The factory, how much? This company spent more to set up a factory than its showroom. Now 0, this one is 4, this is 2, 0, 13 minus 9 is 4. So 12 minus 9 is 3. This one is 10 minus 4 is 6. This one is 3 minus 3 is 0. This is 1. This is how much? This much rupees. 10 crore 63,40,240 rupees more this company spent on setting up a factory than its showroom. So this is the what we have to write here. Data. See here. What is this? The amount spent to set up a factory. Amount spent on factory, set up a factory or spent on factory. Now what is this? This one is amount spent to set up showroom. Amount spent to set up a showroom. Then what is this? More amount spent to set the factory. More amount spent to set the factory is how much? This one. Here, therefore we can. Now this is the homework. You should solve these word problems by writing the data for all these problems. You try. Now we take sixth one. What number should be added to 5689123 to get 9000352? So here we'll write data like this. Here one number is there, that one given number is 5689123. What number should be added to this? We don't know that number. We'll put question mark here, and to get the sum, if we add some number to this number, we should get 9000352. What you will do to get the answer or to find this number? See here, To find this one, we'll subtract a given number from the sum of these two numbers. Sum of these two numbers is how much? 9000352. From this number, if we subtract given number, one number is given, one number is not given, so sum is given. That is, what number should be added to this one to get this sum? So now we subtract this one. 5, 6, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3. Now subtract this. What you will get? See here, 9000352. Here 3, 2, 1, 9, 8, 6 and 5. What we will get after subtraction? See here, this is into, we cannot subtract 3, so borrow a carry, becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. Taken carry should be given back. Once again you add these two and subtract from this 5. 2, here 2, here 10 minus 9 1, here 10 minus 9 1, here 10 minus 7 3, here 9 minus 6 is 3. The number we get is 3311229. Therefore, the number is to be added. The number is to be added is this one, 33,11,229. If we add this number to this, then we get this one. Now we are going to solve another sum, that is what number should be subtracted or taken out from 89,12,652 to get the answer 50 lakh. So we will write the equation here. That one is what number should be subtracted. That number we don't know. What number should be subtracted from what? From this one, 89,12,652. What number should be subtracted from this one to get 50 lakh? So, to get this number, we subtract this 50 lakh from this one, 89,12,652 minus 50 lakh. Here, see here, I will explain here some problems. What number should be subtracted from 8 to get 6? What number should be subtracted here? If we subtract 2 from 8, we get 6. How to write the equation here? See here. Here, if we send this one to the right side, including this sign, it becomes plus question mark. Here, 8 remains here only. If we send this one this side, it will become plus this one. If it comes this side, that is, it is plus, it becomes minus 6. That means question mark is equals to 8 minus 6. In this way, we find. Or in other words, we can subtract minus 6 from both sides. See here. This is what we have written here. This is similar to this one only. Here question mark is equals to this one, we subtract. Two, 5, 6, 2, 1, 9. This is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3.